Hello, hello, OFP Nation. Happy Wednesday, August 14th, 2024. Barry, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Awesome. All right, guys, we're so sorry for the late start today. That was my fault. Technical issues, but we got it. All right, so let's take a look at what's been going on since our analysis on Sunday. Of course, once we're done kind of going through this, whatever questions you guys have for us, feel free to let us know in the comments. We'd be more than happy to answer them for you. I'm going to go ahead and mute myself so that Barry can do his thing.
Yeah,
Do your
indeed.
thing. Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Right. Right. So, last week we looked at Ria's favorite pair, that was Euro New Zealand. We said if we had a break below here, we'd go to the downside, but then that quickly changed as New Zealand interest rate came in and it broke the upside, and this looks like we're definitely going up here because, like I say, pin bars are usually very attractive for the market, especially ones with extremely long wicks. So that's where we're definitely going for this coming week. So this is something you can look at. Apart from that, let's quickly jump to the other pairs. On oil, we're back where we started, back at break even. Basically, we had a very strong run to the upside. From that day, I said this would be a great entry point with your stop loss like right below there. And yeah, it ran all the way to the upside. Now it's back. Is this a pullback? Or is this a signal to us that this trade is not going to work out? We don't know yet. But of course, this is still a good to trade, like 10 to 1, like I said, all the way from here, stop loss being all the way down here. I am trading both of these currently with no stop loss because I want to see exactly which one will hit the stop loss first. Then that's when I get out. But of course, the target is way below, way above the high, which is right here. Yeah, the high is above 88 for Brent oil, and for Texas oil is also above here. So this is both at 10 to 1. So that's what I'm just looking for. Then, yeah, let's move over to yen. Yen, it did what I said. So that it's going to make a new high. Right now, it's just been moving sideways. We're just watching this market. I pushed my stop loss all the way to the bottom here because I'm still looking for a good support so that we don't get stopped out prematurely into this trade. Same scenario with pound yen. It's actually even worse. The consolidation is like really rigid here, like it's really tight as compared to dollar yen. So obviously, as this continues to push up, as you can see, I'm being slightly already in profit. So as this pushes up even more, dollar yen will most likely follow suit. So we're just watching these. Then next is dollar Mexican. It came all the way down immediately as I entered. It pulled all the way back up. We might have the same scenario with oil, where we get pulled back slightly, then come to the downside, probably take out this previous low where my target is. Then another one is CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss is also being consolidated. I really don't know what's wrong with the market right now. Like, seems everything is really slow this week. But yeah, we're still hopeful. We're still hopeful to see where everything goes. Then let's look at gold. As for gold, we seem to actually be making a new high, but we're already pulling back. At this moment, I'm still watching it. If we get a break of this trend line, then maybe I may be interested in taking a position on gold. But as of now, we're doing nothing. Then let's move over to NAS 100. Oh, I also need to cover euro. So NAS 100 is actually doing really well. It's really doing really well. We are already touching the trend line, which is great. So we just need to break slightly above. And then this would be something I would be definitely looking at to trade. So that's what I am seeing with NAS 100 here. So if we do get a break above, I will definitely be looking to enter into this trade. That should be like maybe tomorrow. It looks very much likely to be tomorrow. Yeah, so once that happens, enter this trade, then look to take out the previous high, which was here. Then my stop loss will definitely go under this previous support level, then continue to the upside and just watch it. It's kind of been obvious that it will hit the take profit up above here to probably make a new high, because that's what NAS 100 always does. It always looks to make a new high each and every time. So it may even take some time, even 2 months. It is indeed possible, but that high will definitely be reached because investors really need these stocks to go up. So yeah, that's the thing. So let's also look at US 30. I believe it's probably in the same scenario. Yeah, same scenario. This has been broken. Overall, I think it's a good time to enter. So let me, well, the market is closed right now with US 30. So I'll probably look to enter this tomorrow or wait for a pullback back down here. If not, then I'll just watch this market go on without me. But stop losses below this previous support level would be ideal. If you want, probably this one right there for a tighter stop loss. So that's what I'm seeing on US 30. So we have actually gone through all the pairs. One is left, that's euro dollar. Euro dollar looks like it's going to 1100, 1.11. Yes, that's where I think it's going. It's already made a new high, but this looks like we might also just be reversing very soon. So a trend line, like I always say, these tip trend lines don't always look ideal. So I like the ones which are concise, like well drawn, and which can actually signify some really good levels. So, like for example, here, yeah, this looks good. Just a drop below here would be nice. And yeah, we may, once we just go below this level, then definitely short opportunities will look good on euro dollar. Right, so at this point, I believe I've covered all the pairs. I can take questions or probably pairs you'd like us to look at. Any other pairs you'd like us to look at for the week or to quickly analyze? How about you, Ria? Any pairs?
So this week, my personal watch list has been Euro Kiwi, British Pound, US Dollar, and what's the other one?
British pound, do you mean like pound dollar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, that's how yeah, pound
You
dollar.
can call it the cable. Yeah.
And then what was the other one I was looking at? Hold on, let me look at my list. Oh yeah, USDJPY, but you already went over USDJPY. So
Okay, let's look at pound dollar. Because I remember last time I saw pound dollar, it was dropping like no tomorrow. Ooh, it has
yes,
actually come back.
so it had a breakout of the downtrend.
Yeah, this was beautiful. Textbook type of stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, so
Yep.
definitely this could be making a new high. So yeah, it broke all the way here. First support levels have been hit. This could be a second one. Then lastly, all the way to the top there. So
Mhm.
that's what we can keep in mind for the cable. So yeah,
Yeah.
nothing much to do here.
Yeah.
Just this is already the first level that has been reached. This looks like a second level. Then third level would be all the way up there. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm I'm looking to trade that one. So
All right. You got two. You got two. Yeah. All right. It seems there are no questions or pairs that others would like us to look at. So I guess this is where we can conclude. This is just always that review of the pairs which we were looking at to see where we are, where we're going. I was in good profit overall, but yeah,
yeah, you looking pretty green over there, homie.
yeah, but overall, I'm still in a slight loss there. Yeah, it was very, very green. I was like on $1,400 or something.
Yeah.
Then I guess CPI came in. I don't know. News always likes to do something opposite to what you're looking at all the time. Yeah, I don't know why it's always like that.
Yeah, but I guess it just depends too, I found that it doesn't always really impact swing traders as much as a day trader because we already have like our stop loss at a certain
Uh-huh.
point, you know what I'm saying? So
Yes, yes,
usually
yes.
usually like even if news were to like throw price off for that moment in time, price usually a lot of times finds its way coming back, unless it's just
Mhm.
really completely changing the whole
Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true.
trend.
So, like, let's just say, like the way what happened with Euro Kiwi, you can find that's actually just a pullback for further downside movement,
Mhm.
sometimes like that. So yes, the only issue with news most of the times I find that it does create pullback levels. And for the past 3, 4 months that I've been trading, I've just been noticing that a lot. I've
Mm.
not really been paying much attention to how news affects my trades, but of late I have been paying much attention. Like I would find that it takes away my profits, then gives them back somehow. Sometimes it can
Yeah,
also like take away the profits and leave me with nothing and then hit my stop loss.
yeah,
I just go directly there like, okay, we're changing trend right now. So yeah.
yeah. I hear you.
So I don't know. Maybe I should also be making sure I take some profit off when news is about to come in or the like. Because if
Or
I look at oil, I was in a very good trade for oil, but that was like yesterday. What was happening yesterday? Okay, yesterday there was core CPI, but that was at 2:30. Oh, okay. Yeah, it actually made my trade pull back. Yeah, at 2:30. So that must have been something I should have looked at. But on Monday, there wasn't any red flag news on Monday, surprisingly. And that's what made oil go all the way up. We can just show you here. Where is it? Uh, so yeah, this was Monday. This was Tuesday. This was red flag news. And also today, another red flag news. So I believe that's just how it is now. Like, you just need to keep an eye on news and try and bank profits maybe before. Then, if there's a pullback, I probably enter. Yeah, or something. I don't know. Yeah, so we can just keep on looking. This should just be maybe a pullback. It shouldn't be something to worry about most of the times. But I'm still patient. I'm still patient. If the week ends, I will definitely have to trail my stop loss somehow. Yeah, so
yeah,
yes. because volatility has been crazy. That's all I can say. Short talk on volatility, it's been crazy. So trailing, like I said, even in our previous analysis, needs to be done just to prevent um, profits just to be taken away from you. Yeah, you need to take your money off the table
Yeah,
sometimes. Hmm. And just protect it overall. But hey, good session today. We looked at all the pairs. Potential is still there. And let's see what Thursday and Friday have for us. Yeah.
sounds good.
All right. All right. Okay, Ria, thank you very much for hosting us again, as usual. Any last words?
Yes, of course. All right, everybody. So we have a promotion this week going on our 50K account now. So this is a 50K account with an 80% profit split and a 5% daily drawdown. So for this, you get $207 off of the price. You just have to use code 207 for 50K and you'll get that discount.
Okay, awesome. Right. I guess this is where we conclude.
All right.
See you
So
all on Sunday.
see you on Sunday.